it will give you a false sense of accomplishment baga na sabihin natin that nag-click lahat eh, di ba? Although it's good na nag-click lahat, pero hindi eh. Ayun. So gusto ko lang parang i-correct yung correct is a harsh term ano. Gusto ko lang i-correct yung mindset, yung thinking. You will find if you do this long enough, you will find a strategy. You will find, yun ang mahirap. If you find a strategy kasi, ang danger nun is baka nabangga mo lang yung strategy na yon, nag-cross lang ang landas nyo ng strategy na yon during its win streak period eh. Di ba? Because every strategy has periods na nag-work siya and periods na hindi siya nag-work. Di ba? Every strategy has that. There's no such thing as an evergreen na strategy. That's why part talaga ng ating trade is checking and backtesting the strategy if it's still working, di ba? And we want to look for certain periods in time na nagwo-work yung strategy na yon, di ba? Ang problema doon sa thinking that you found a strategy is it will give you a false sense of accomplishment baga na click lahat eh, di ba? Although it's good na nag-click lahat, pero hindi eh. Ang problema nun is you will do that hanggang you exhaust that strategy, hanggang biglang hindi na lang gagana, eh, you will, parang magpapanik ka na nun. Ha? Yun yung mahirap na mindset eh. Yun yung mindset o na mindset. Yun yung mahirap na thinking eh. Di ba? Better siguro that instead of finding the best strategy, maybe you should focus more on how to make a strategy work. Number one is knowing the strategy. Kasi knowing na kung kailan siya gagana, kailan siya hindi gagana, di ba? Alam mo yun. Para sa event na wala na yung win streak na yon, you know how to adjust. Maybe instead of saying that don't worry, you will find a strategy. Maybe at the early stages pa lang ng iyong trading career is alam mo na kung paano mag-aral ng strategy. That's why we emphasize more on the backtesting part because you can find the effectivity ng strategy na yon na hindi mo na kailangan ng oras. Di ba? Papansin nyo yung mga coaches na nagpo-promote ng mga ganon is medyo Alam mo, next year wala na yung mga yun. Na nakabangga ng tumatahimik, di ba? Ingay kapag okay, tahimik kapag wala, di ba? The bottom line is maybe change that thinking that you will find or stumble upon a strategy. Start thinking of how to make a strategy work. And para mag-start doon is you should know how to evaluate a strategy, di ba? So